At CERNY'S greenhouse in Tomahawk, Wisconsin. Visiting Grandma and Grandpa. Right, Grandma? What are we getting today?
We have to get tomato plants and flowers.
Tomato plants and flowers.
Yes, yes.
Sounds good to me. Early girl, that's her favorite. So this is one of my favorites, Lupine. We have a couple of bunches of these planted at the in-laws' place. Just put out a beautiful tower of flowers, as you guys can see. Check that out. It's a great attractor for butterflies, bees, hummingbirds as well. So great pollinator plant. Speaking of cool, Foxglove, I love. We have some of that in the sailboat planter out front. Let's get a better picture of what they look like. The flowers are just, oh, gorgeous. As you can tell, the way the flowers form and stuff, it's kind of just like the lupine. And it's the same with this Larkspur. Delphinium Larkspur here. It's just some of my favorite flowers are ones that grow in that really tall cone. I just think they're super pretty, let alone like the colors that they produce out of these plants. It's just awesome. I love them. Don't eat it though. Is upright phlox. Phlox of all different kinds are very hardy, a great perennial to have in the garden and easy to take care of and maintain. They'll pretty much come back no matter what. And I've never had a phlox not put off flowers or even die after a hard, harsh winter. Never had an issue. Phlox are a great plant, great perennial flower. These right here are Portulaca plants. There's a couple different varieties in here. I don't know if you guys have seen my videos on them or not, but I got a couple of Portulaca plants. And these are really cool too. They're self-seeding, so they'll produce the flowers, and then these pods, there we go, these pods here afterwards will turn black and drop the seeds, so they reseed themselves, so pretty much can be treated as a perennial. As you can see, they kind of look just like succulents. They do need full sun to bloom. There's all sorts of colors. Mine that I have, it's a Mexican rose one, so it's just it's a dark red flower, but you got your pinks, more like a purplish, yellow, reds. Beautiful plants. Another favorite of mine, Portulacas. And of course, I couldn't do a garden center tour with you guys without going through succulents when they have them. All sorts of kinds. We see some calanchos, some ogre ears. These look like dwarf jades. Then there is also some Graptosedum varieties. And more calanchos. This Graptosedum paraguayse, or ghost plant succulent there. I don't know what these are exactly, but they're pretty attractive how they put out those runners and grow like that. I do like this one. Pretty. You see you have the lighter greens where the new growth is, and as it matures it gets darker and larger. Very cool. I like that one. Here's a better example of what a large bunch of those would look like. Yeah, I like it. Then these funky plants right here, this is a rush, Corkscrew Rush. You would put these kind of where you would your ornamental grasses and stuff. That's why they got them in these area. But it's a interesting plant that a lot of people don't actually have growing in their gardens. I haven't even seen a single person with these out in their garden, but they're cool, they're funky, they're weird. That is the Corkscrew Rush. Couple of cute little planters. We got a pig, some birds here, And then these just geometric houses. They got succulent planters in there with this concrete base below it. Pretty. And then I'll show you guys in this greenhouse too. Along the whole way again, they got drip irrigation, feeding all kinds of plants and planters. Wanted to highlight these planters real quick. Let me get to the other side so we can get some better light. Help keep the moisture in your plants, and they look good. These caught my eye. I asked them what they were because I didn't know myself, and it's a Bonfire Begonia. See real thin petals on the flowers there. Attractive foliage, nice bright color. Yet another interesting plant here to show you guys. Very cool. Bonfire Orange Begonia. Get everything, Grandma?
Yes, we did.
So we're all set here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for many more videos to come. Subscribe if you like the content, and happy gardening.